The air could be toxic.
The air's toxic, we're all dead anyway. I'm getting that wristband. Even if I have to cut off her hand to do it.
Because right now, I don't feel like being around anyone I actually like.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say, they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watched it burn.
I need you.
As
I need
touched
you.
your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here.
You're really here.
Forever.
The only way we're gonna pull this off is together. You won't be by yourself.
One to end cap.
You know about this? Don't float yourself. It doesn't matter to you though, does it? Disciples like.
Now I am trying to save you.
You would always win, but I set fire to the rain.
You've got such a big heart, Bellamy.
Watched it pour
Heart in it.
as I touched your face.
The only way to make sure we survive is to face this too.
Bellamy,
call him up, go now. Don't make me do this. So much for together. You care about her. She must be pretty important to you. Pleading for the life of a traitor who you love. And you worry about him more.
Do you have any idea how much she cares about you?
You're different than me.
She is. It's Clark.
Get out of my way. Feel right now the need to protect someone you love so badly you're willing to kill your closest friend, someone you trust.
From the disciples.
Like you decided to kill them.
I killed him.
Now you have to live with that. I don't want that for you. I tried everything.
I feel like I can't get enough air.
You ruined my life. Just like you ruined it.
Everyone I love